Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. Today we're going to be working with two underappreciated vegetables, fennel and celery. I'm going to be making a shaved Carpaccio style salad. Before we get prepping, let's go help the other cook sister, Adrienne, with some of her springtime garden chores.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. It's not too early to start worrying about summer's heat. So today I'm going to show you a few ideas on how to get ahead of it. Let's get going. Watering is probably summer's most important task. A sprinkler like this one is a great way to cool off your plants in the heat of the summer. And for a small garden, it's probably all you need for watering. An inexpensive area sprayer like this one is another option. For a larger garden, your best bet is a drip irrigation system. The water goes straight to the roots of the plants. A drip irrigation system needs to be installed right after plants go in the ground. Stockpile mulch now to use throughout the summer. It helps keep water in the ground and weeds out of your way. Something else you'll need, organic fertilizer. You'll want to sprinkle some of this around your greens during the summer. That's it in the garden for today. Let's go back to Danielle and see how she's getting along with her celery and fennel.
I hope that motivated you to get going on some of your garden chores. Before you do, let's make a bright springtime salad. Fennel is in the same family as celery and carrots and parsley. Remove the core to make slicing easier. It should have a white, smooth exterior, but if there are any little brown spots, just trim them off. It has a long history of use as a medicinal plant in the Mediterranean region. Carpaccio refers to thinly sliced and served raw, and that's what we'll do with our salad. This is a mandolin, which will make the slices paper thin. The leftover pieces cut down with a knife. I'll do the same with the celery, but boy, this is a whole lot easier and faster. You could also use a food processor, but the slices won't be quite as thin. The salad should have equal parts fennel and celery. Thinly sliced mushrooms will contribute a wonderful earthy flavor to the salad. We're keeping it all in the family by adding some parsley. I'm using flat leaf Italian parsley, and I'm picking the leaves whole to act as a salad green. Lemon zest and lemon juice will pop the flavors. The dressing is a simple vinaigrette with Dijon mustard, lemon juice, olive oil, and salt. Dress the salad and let it sit in the refrigerator about an hour before serving. As it marinates, the vegetables will relax a bit, but remain crunchy and soak up the dressing. We'll serve the Carpaccio salad on a platter. I like to garnish it with capers, lemon zest, some fresh tarragon, and shaved Parmesan. The fennel and tarragon have a mild licorice flavor, which is great for the digestive system. You can serve this as an appetizer, or, as I prefer, to end a lovely meal. Thanks so much for joining us today. Come back next week to work with a springtime favorite, asparagus.